A survivor of the Big Sandy Creek flood says two large trees kept several homes and several people from being swept away Saturday. Fox 7 Austin's Rudy Koski's live in the newsroom with her story. Now, Rudy, I was in that area yesterday on the west side of Leander and saw how powerful the storm surge was.
Meredith, you're right. It's pretty amazing and somewhat frightening. The surge and the debris that came with the Saturday morning flood on the Big Sandy Creek bent steel guardrails and moved part of a concrete bridge. Now, not far from that bridge, several homes were also moved. Two of the homes were swept off their cinder block foundations. They floated the length of about 2 football fields, crossed a roadway, and smashed into a neighbor's house. All three were stopped by 2 old pecan trees, which prevented the homes and the people inside those homes from going right into Big Sandy Creek. The daughter of one of the survivors spoke to Fox 7 about the trees and how they're an example of the dual power of Mother Nature, which can destroy and can save.
Well, I always knew they were special. The family that was in the house that got crushed in the middle, she crawled out of it and onto the top of my mom's porch. When she got swept out, she grabbed, I don't know which post, I think this one, and wrapped her arms around it. And because the water was vortexing right here so strongly, she almost got swept away. She just held on until she couldn't hold on anymore, and then the water was going down. These 2 pecans saved this house from floating into the river. It also saved those 2 people's houses, those families' houses from floating into the river. If they hadn't hit Mom's house, they would have been dragged in. So right now we're just trying to save some of the trees that have been wrapped with debris. We've gotten a couple of them loose. Because that will stress them out too much. I think the reason that I am so adamant about trying to save them is not only my relationship with them, but that they did. They saved lives. They kept their families from floating away. And so the least I can do is try to save them.
Yeah, some pretty amazing trees there. Fox 7 was told that the trees were almost cut down a few years ago when the bridge into that subdivision was built. Residents were able to convince contractors to wait a minute, build the bridge maybe a little bit more upstream, saving those trees. It seemed that the trees have returned the favor doing that Saturday. Now back to you in the studio.